Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing of the Beyblade vs. Evolution lineup duo 2-pack versus Legends, Dragoon, and Dranzer. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, sticker, paint, sticker, paint, sticker. So here's spread for a forged disc, which is a nice S. Actually, why isn't it zooming in? There you go, S for spread. And it is a 2-star. And our driver, which is Unite, which I don't know who did this, but they don't know how to do a U on here. Because most people just turn like this, where they see like a little fist symbol, which would actually be upside down, which it has to go this way to make a U, which does not look like a U. I mean, the two swords on stream form an X for, you know, extreme. This one, it just looks like a fist going like, pound it, bump it, punch it in the face. Come on, let's boss it. Adrian! You know, from Rocky and Apollo was Adrian, you know. It looks more like a fist than a U for Unite! And it kind of has kind of a hole spike for the driver here. Well, it's not quite flat. It's not pushed in like a hole, but it's not quite as full on spike. So a hole spike is what the driver would be if we're going off of the Beyblade Metal series. You know, whether it was Metal Fusion, Metal Fury, Metal Fight. You know, with Gina Hagane, Dark Wolf, you know, all Kyoya, you know, all those characters. That's what this driver would definitely be. So yeah, let's put them together and check them out. So I do like that they did do this. I wish that they did come out with this Dragoon. I believe it's this version of the Dragoon in the gold version, kind of like how Takari Tomy did. And then, you know, you could buy it from like Samurai Buyer for like super dirt cheap. It's like only about $10, I want to say 10 or 12 bucks, which is like dirt cheap for getting a Takari Tomy, you know, limited edition, exclusive, you know, limited quality version in gold paint. So I wish Hasbro would do that, so we could get this in gold. Also, I wish Hasbro would come out with, you know, oh, I don't know, like dual equips. Of course, that they would probably make it, instead of just buying like as a starter set or even as a booster, they'd probably make you buy it as a whole, you know, complete kit. So it comes as a kit with a special launcher, you know, for us here in America. That's what Hasbro will do. Or it would probably come out in, you know, one that comes with a bay stadium, because that bay you could switch it up into essentially 3 bays. You could have it in the Sun Bay, you could have it in the Moon Bay, or you could have it in the Eclipse version. Just depends on what parts you want to slide and slide around, snap on. So yeah. And this one does. I mean, these are cool. They kind of remind me of my childhood. This one actually does feel legitimately like the Gen 1 Bay right here. This one, not really. I mean, the plastic on the top here of the energy layer feels really light, and even on the bottom here, and they needed more weight for the forces. So this one looks like the Gen 1, but it does not actually feel like the whole weight and quality of the Gen 1. This one, very Gen 1. The weight is heavy like Gen 1. The fitness of the plastic is kind of like the Gen 1. Except, you know, you don't actually have to completely build it from, you know, the little wonder with your side cut, and then use your file to file off these little nub marks and put the stitches on there. So, not technically, you know, Gen 1 nostalgia, and it doesn't come with, you know, the launcher and whipcord. But I think Hasbro did a pretty good job on these. So let's actually go ahead and take a look at these. Let me move this out of the way. Put it on our base stadium. So we're going to start off with actually Dranzer here first. Because there's a lot of tests that we got to do with Dragoon. And that did not go too good with Dranzer. Okay, this launcher does not really want to work for some reason with Dranzer. So, yeah. Let's try this launcher out with Dranzer. Oh, great, I got it on the left spin. Let's put it in the white spin, because this one is a white spin bay. Kind of works, Not really the best. And as soon as you touch it, it auto bursts. Yay, that's great. And let's try it with the sword launcher here. Which doesn't really want to give it up. I guess the sword launcher works a little bit better than this launcher, but Now let's try out Dragoon. So we'll put it in the left white launcher. And it takes off but not that powerful. So let's try the next launcher here. About the same as this one. Okay. Let's try it with this launcher. So you get maybe about 3 times and then they auto burst on you in your hand. Yeah, that's right, they just burst right in your hand. Ooh, yeah. Burst in my hand. Seriously, that's what they do. Come on. You stupid Dragoon. Get in there and lock. Come on! Dang it, I don't know why the heck these launchers are not doing anything to launch, but it's that. I don't know, Dragoon seems to be doing about the same, and it auto bursts. Stupid bay. It's nice for a question piece, but doesn't look like you could actually get it to really do a great launch. Okay, now the sword launcher actually is a little bit better for this one, for getting a first powerful launch, but any of the other 3 launchers, it's going to spin a lot longer. That's what I'm noticing.